Oh, they can see them. Oh, listen to the kids. God love them. Isn't this beautiful?
They're on the front. They're on the front of the boat.
Let go up there. John, can you hold those?
Everybody in the front was looking about coming down with me. Okay. Some of the boats are picking up for that.
He's trying to...
Oh, he's right here. I wasn't bloody pushing.
That's what he's saying every time he puts him on. Morsey, share with me. That's Cambridge.
As long as the boss doesn't see me.
I know.
You're the first mate.
Go around the other side.
Captain, crew, first mate.
We'll go back, we'll keep going.
They're on that side. Go quick.
I can't push more. There's a cure. Come on this side. Look at him.
Oh yeah.
Dad.
Camera won't pick that up. Oh, the camera's getting it. Yeah.
But it's in the water. Good luck, dolphins.
Just effortless, aren't they? Incredible.
Good luck for the future. It's gonna go up.
Oh no, he's still here. Gotta come up too.
Do you take pictures of it?
Yeah. Yay!
Two! There's two!
Oh, there's another one here.
Over there. Over there!
Yeah. With his friend. He'll come up in a minute. Oh, that was the other one.
Here's the first dolphin. Yeah, you can stand
No, no, it's good now. Here he comes, he'll come up. Yay! Come up. Come on, time to come up. Two of them.